Tamaz Developments has transformed this humble 3x1 character cottage into a stunning 4x2 family home in just 16 weeks.
We've been living here for a long time, and we thought it's about time to extend it and get our dream house and be faithful to the character. And Jared and Sasha obviously looked at our dream and said, we can do this.
Extending the floor plan has provided the space for a new ensuite off the master bedroom, a guest bedroom and study, bathroom, laundry and open plan living that integrates the indoors with the outdoors.
Yeah, look, it's worth paying a lot of attention to the design process, because if you don't get the design right in the first place, you're really digging yourself into a corner. And I feel that with Jared and Sasha's help, they just guided us through the design process, from council applications to the drawing of the plans, the expertise of tradespeople advice. It really put us on the right track, and it's fantastic. It happened quickly and efficiently.
Yeah.
So we pretty much did it roughly around about 4 months, which is quite an extensive renovation. It's not a small renovation at all. So with an ensuite, bathroom, bedroom, massive open plan living area, all done and dusted, I think it turned out really well in the time frame. Except for Christmas Day, I think we saw a tradesman on the property working every single day, and that's a credit to organisation skills. In my opinion, because organising trades isn't easy, and if you can get a constant flow of trades here all the time, it's a good thing. Well, Jared's got the building expertise and Sasha's got the design expertise. Between the two of them, trying to decipher what the owners want out of the building, yeah, they nailed it. So yeah, I'd absolutely recommend them, for sure. Not many people can say that a building experience was fun, but we enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun.
We did. And hopefully we've made some good friends out of it.
Yeah, absolutely.